It's very hot out. I mean, even if you're in the food court. So I just had this to go. This is my binalot bistec. And looks decent. Okay lang ang portioning niya. May additional pang salted egg and tomato. So that's why I like binalot. Ano sila, they're consistent. Alright, let's enjoy eating this. So as you can see, ayan o, pawis na ako. Let's enjoy our lunch. Okay lang naman yung dami ng for the price. Tapos pa, nakabalot sa sa dahon ng saging, right? Then meron pa nito, or imagine, half salted egg. So sulit. A whole chicken to the staff sa hotel. They always appreciate me here whenever I come here. I guess you can say I'm a regular here. Kasi okay naman eh. May imagine na this kind of hotel, medyo bago, malinis. Walang amoy, comfortable. Walang fridge, walang microwave oven, but they have water, hot water and cold water dispenser doon sa labas malapit sa elevator. So tama-tama lang talaga yun. Tender yung beef niya. May slice of onion. Hindi siya maalat. So maganda talaga. A little less than 200 pesos. I mean, what do you expect? Tsaka para sa akin, tama lang yung portion talaga. So, if you want to control your portion, your diet, maganda na sa binalot. I was kind of feeling anxious earlier. I'm having anxiety.
I like your dad.
While I was on my way to the town center. Kahit paano nag-subside, kasi you really have to walk it off. You have to somehow control and manage it. Leave it to God. Whenever I book a hotel, as much as possible, ganyan ang binubook ko. Yung dalawang bed siya. That way, I can open up my luggage on one bed and then sleep on the other. I never really experienced this kind of anxiety before until I guess I was abandoned and sometimes you felt betrayed but
Yes, I do.
kailangan mo lang tatagan sa sarili mo. I know it's hard to do kasi
that I'm thinking at all times.
Okay, fine. Still in it.
I always pray,
Guilty.
kahit hanggang ngayon, I always pray na sana matapos na,
Fair enough.
I mean, I'm not contemplating suicide, but I just pray and hope na everything will be alright.
We finished these boys' rooms, the bathroom, and then you changed. We went to the
Every now and then, kahit na ipapalis, I share the blessings with staff, guards. That's why today I brought them whole chicken to share. Ang araw din I brought them sa gabi naman. Life's not always this sad, sometimes. And I'm not always alone when I eat. Pagka mag-isa ako, I go to fast foods. Pagka may kasama ako, I go to some place where I can enjoy the company of others over a meal. Thanks for joining me.